puchu be ya mapui mwana wa jola sengwa blim imapuni babu tumba ma Kida
Nettle. I just pick some nettle. No, for being singular. Tempura mula.
So we're Thursday, the 25th of April 2024 in Lantern Valley, Mecca Village, Fungom Subdivision in the Mentum Division of the Northwest region of Cameroon, where our General Manager is on an inspection visit. At the site where we have the beehive installation. Here are the palm estates of the Fungom Farms.
Baby, correct. Uncle, I'm going to go to the again. I want you go line of front.
They're speaking the Jeba, the dialect of the people of the Mecca village. Happy Tawani.
Name ta. Okay. So we are still at the beehive corridor here, and so it's just again a little. Wow. I'm familiar.
I'm again. I mean, the car from a line one. So, such a from Balula, so that you know, go, you know, also by young film and mellow for yes, to make it all with a yagi language. Yeah, that's why I mean, come to a week and a day make it. It's a great line of woman. I do book of birth maintenance, after you have
Yeah,
before you know, think from move a little box easy.
okay, that means the maintenance is better.
Yes,
Oh, Chagan Bella. But one make up, you don't want mamma and moi, no, bang the phone.
No, Chawarika. Answer back but last book talk there before I die from.
So I didn't have a book.
No, I pick him worry. So I have talk that is poor, yeah, before I can worry.
Uncle, the widow is married.
No, I'm not again. Never see a no to wheeler. So that I took from another line.
Yeah,
Into great food. To the farmer. It's
okay.
Can you say a week?
Yeah.
So we are very poor first.
That means I have balloon, I have the one.
But your bunch says you are weird.
Yeah.
Okay. Man said the thumbs up them 2 weeks, you know, I get file of Jagger.
And then this time will be clean covered 1 minute time.
3.
Well, the 3 meters.
3 meters.
Yeah. Then you can see shit out there.
In Sweden, one guy I think no more than 3 point something.
Okay.
Because
你估嘛是给它烂的这，
bi
可以养了，
bi yakka te bien yakka la.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah. Kaya
可以
sam
养嘛生发了，
Yeah. Bi yakka la.
Ayang asam.
Ila bi gan ka te la.
Ah, that
Yeah,
is
then
so
mu
good.
mu te be la gene ya sham no.
Yeah. Okay.
A bit of translation.
Yeah. So what the guys are saying, they've devised a very good strategy here, so we can make maximum use of the space we have, rather than the one line that we had or the column that we had. We might definitely have two because the space here is wider. So, but the only thing will be they'll have a juxtaposition here. So between these two hives, they will actually put one here. So within every two hives, they put another one, but they will still have a spacing of 3 meters. I think Uncle experience with you know.
Yes.
So this is Uncle Mike. He has a big experience with honey. So one number you in the car.
Ada kau bela.
If you can speak in English,
You're in Jim Kaduacho.
Oh.
But piggy man, yeah. So this is Uncle Mike.
It gives a lot of money. Honey.
Yeah,
Even right in the village, people are looking for honey. They cannot find it
yeah.
because people are not used to raining honey.
Yeah.
So we want to try this experiment and it will help to use.
so when you hear about Oku Mountain honey, it's taken years for them to develop that brand and name.
For true.
So what we're doing down here at the Intern Valley, do you think it can one day become a brand name for itself?
A very, very great, what can I call it? Investment.
Yeah.
Yes. It's a big investment.
So some they call it Intern Valley honey.
Ten Valley honey.
Ten Valley natural honey.
Okay.
We not apply any chemical.
One of it is that is what to note that even in our farms we do not apply herbicides or chemicals. So in short, so it means that even the honey here will actually be real natural honey. It will live in a natural environment. It's really exciting. It's exciting what we're doing here now.
And it's just around the banks of the river.
Yeah. That's one factor so important. Can you see it? So honey actually feeds a lot on water. So honey feeds on water. We're right at the banks of the river. Right? Just follow it.
So the river Intern that borders Metcalf and Isu.
You will say it borders issue, but it doesn't really. It's just a common river where the Metcalf man and the Isu man can fish. The Metcalf man and the Isu man does not have a boundary.
Okay.
Yes, we do not have a boundary. You can see Isu people come over here as well and harvest, plant. So as well as the Metcalf man can go over there and plant. It's just that during the rainy season, the river is so full that sometimes had to cross over. So that's the first hindering factor. If not, we'll be walking over. And all the fresh fish anyway comes in from here. Yeah. You can come around and see the banks, see better. So this is a very, very, very big river for livelihood for the Metcalf and the Isu communities. Yeah, so livelihood. Then fish, good fresh fish. Yeah. And the honey, the beehives just along the banks of the river. This would actually be good food for the bees and the trees as well. The bees will definitely get nectar from all these trees here. So that we're sure of the productivity of the hive in the months ahead. We didn't be near. I'll be in there. So this is actually like a small path. We can go up into the highest corridor again. That's the corridor. Let's meet Mr. Boy Ernest. Mr. Ernest, I know you have been doing honey for some time now, and that's why he's here. He has expertise in bee farming. So if you have any questions, you can ask Mr. Ernest. That's Mr. Boy Ernest. I shall work, sir.
Thank you.
The work to go well. That's Mr. Boy Ernest. I shall work, sir.
Thank you.
The work to go well. Correct. I'm really glad to see how una dey do what una dey do. What if you tell me about the work and the experience we don't get am for honey from Mecca village in particular, because I know say you be one of the members for the Bee Farmers Association.
Yes. For anything like the bee farming work, as we are putting the hive like this, we need another work to do, only to kill the insect, the ants.
Yeah, the ants.
Under they are destroying the fats.
Yeah,
under.
yeah.
Yes, we need only chemical for that.
Like what is like insecticide?
Yeah, insecticide.
Like which one?
The gamalin.
Gamalin.
Yeah, gamalin.
Okay.
Very special for that.
Okay. So the gamalin is actually to avoid ants to creep into the hive, because once the ants creep onto the hive, the bees will just abandon.
Yes.
Or what will happen if the ants they get inside the beehive? What will happen?
The ant is not good to penetrate inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, because when they only just discover that ant,
They will just leave.
the hive.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then now for protect them, how will drum for how to the top?
No,
how
the top is
because when
only
I
that.
see this one now,
The top, yes.
the one is still empty now.
Yes.
How
empty.
will do now? Explain. I don't want me to explain for we how you the make a
We
make.
just look this local bamboo.
Yeah.
Yes, we apply it
Yeah.
on top the hive.
Yeah.
Yes, then when we apply it, we bring the wax. The
Yeah.
wax.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we'll get some wax. We'll already bring wax.
Yes, then we apply the wax now. From there now, the hive will be coming in.
Yeah.
The hive.
Okay. Cause I come at chicken bobo. Okay. So that's just stretching the corridor.
Yes.
I was gonna make the corridor make big. If we get another line for hives. Okay. So after this, you say we will now cut local bamboo.
Yes.
Like we talk. That means we use mostly in a local material.
Yes, the farmer.
We cross them on top.
Yes.
But we want cross. I will give a put bee wax
Wax, yes.
for attract the bees. They may
Really,
they come
really.
enter.
Really.
Okay. And then when the bees they enter, now they go lock all these holes.
They
Or
will
go
block
lock all
it,
these
all
holes.
the bee will block the holes, all.
Okay, they will use their own wax now where they produce and for lock all these holes.
Yeah.
So despite these gaps we're seeing, it's not a problem to the bees. The first thing they get in here,
Yes.
it's actually seal all of this
Yes.
and then put just their inlets, like where they go in and where they come out. So even the top bars that we put here, we put it with local material. Like you could sit down from some of them that have been made already. We have local material and cover. The bees too will actually produce their combs on the top bars. Okay, so thank you, Mr. Ernest. Courage with the work. Uncle, good job. Yeah, good job. So it's really good. I'm really happy with this one now because they've just discovered a new strategy to make maximum use of the space. What these guys, what our viewers should know is that we're doing it just along the banks of the river. So when it's too close to the river, we just put one hive. But if there's enough space between the river and our farm, that's the farm here. We're just from the river, that's the farm. So if this space is big, we'll actually have 2 hives. Yeah, I think that's really well thought of with our team. It means they're actually involved. They're not doing it like someone is telling them to do it. They really have it at heart and they're doing it right. It's worth to note that these are guys who have a lot of experience in bee farming. They've had their own hives around the communities, but now with the Fungom Farms, we're developing it around the plantation. So good. Let's go and see Uncle Peter. Uncle Peter. Uncle Peter is so Peter, we meet Uncle Peter. What we should know is Uncle Peter, it's a carpenter by profession and is also a bee farmer. So all these hives we see is actually constructed by Uncle Peter. I think you have something to tell us about the hives. Why you make the hives themselves? If you tell me how? Very interesting.
Yeah, I make them say no, we make and I don't make the beehive.
Yeah.
So now my time to put them.
Yeah.
So I think they don't first see the samples upside down.
Yeah.
So now any day they produce will pull like 30 something.
30 something hives.
Yeah, the beehive.
Yeah.
Today. Yeah. And then tomorrow we continue to put them again.
So when we put them, so you feel say honey go enter they when?
No. When we don't put them now, we will apply the wax inside.
Yeah.
Either today or tomorrow to go.
So that's really exciting. So when we install these beehives as Uncle Peter talk, once we apply the bee wax for attract the bees, it's probably 1 hour and tomorrow, today, we'll figure bee actually colonizing the hives. I think that's more exciting. So it means they're doing what they know will work. You know, I think I'm really happy with that. So you see, the line now comes here, it's big there, and then it runs out here into the farm. It runs out into the farm, and that's the river. So we're starting here, that's the river. And then this is the farm, that's the farm. Really close, yeah? Yeah, it's really, really close. So you can see me standing and stretching. That's the riverbed and that's the farm. Yeah, that's the farm right there. So I think when they come here, they might actually skip this area because our beehive, we cannot put a beehive here and then there's a farm here. You know, it won't really work. So we definitely end it where that one is, where the hive is. Yes. And then we'll skip all of this area that's in the farm and then do it on the other side of it where there's still enough space between the farm and the river. Okay, I think we'll take you to the next session where these guys will still be working. Can we go there now? Okay, so thank you. Love our videos, share them, like them, share them with your friends, families, and those who are interested in bee farming can get 1 or 2 tips from what we are doing. And yeah, call us, reach out to us, and we can share more experience and tips on how to get your beehives going, even at home. Yeah, so thank you.